So let me thank you once again for joining the session, guys. So today we are going to be looking towards a trade in future. So I'm summarizing what I've just told in the pre-session. So over here, the delta is actually on the negative side, but we are going to go ahead, look for the possibility of a buy. Now, why do you ask me that question? Is that why are you looking for a buy when the market is going down and so on and so forth? The reason being here is that there is this area over here in the index of 35,645 and 700. So this particular rectangle over here can actually act as a support, and also there is a trend line that is coming from the bottom for which it can take a support. Now, what am I doing over here is that when the negative becomes positive is when there is an immediate possibility of going up. Okay, so the spurt that I'm looking at over here today is that whenever there is that particular dip that actually comes through, I'm going to go ahead and buy and place a stop loss of 150 points and look for a very decent target. So I am bullish over here from this moment, that from here it can go up, and it can either take my stop loss or it can either take my target. So depending on that, we will make certain adjustments and start working on this. So on to the list, what we will do is first we will create a hedge position. So the hedge position over here is that you will be buying a put first. So I will be buying somewhere around 75 quantity of a put over here today on a market price to hedge myself so that I can buy a future for the upside. So I'm buying 75 quantity over here, and which should actually be executed. So yes, that has been executed. Now on the top side, now even I want to buy a call so that I can hedge the possibility of shorting the put as well. So technically I am buying these two hedges to protect myself in no matter what situation. So I will also buy somewhere around 3 lots of this, because I'll be buying 2 lots of Banknifty today. So my hedges are complete. So now if I go back and check, there are 2 hedges for me over here. One is the 36,200 call and 35,400 put, both 3 lots. So this will give me an ability to buy a future that I have over here at a very decent amount of price. So whenever I find the opportunity, now I will buy the future. So whatever these positions that I've bought is actually the hedges. So it is 35,400 put and 36,200 call. 3 lots is what I have bought because I'm going to buy 2 lots of future today. So I am waiting for a proper price is what I'm waiting for over here. So this is going to be my SL for the day. 35,500 will be my SL for the day. And my targets, if let's say I initiate it over here, will be somewhere around close to 150 points itself. So I'm expecting one good spike to happen on the top side. Okay. Now, these candles are quite bullish, and ICC Bank has already moved up. I'm just praying to see if my position gets executed. Did it? Bought 2 lots. Yes. So the 2 lots have been executed over here. So my buy price right now stands at 35,832. So 35,832 is the buy price. So it actually went faster than that. So I'll just take a horizontal ray from here. So at this moment, we might have to consider our exit. I am going to calculate which side that I'm going to be projecting it. And I will be placing my stop loss over here. So the index is having another 30 points, and even we have another 50 points for our stop loss. So our stop loss is going to be 35,665. So I'm going to play that over here. Let me just place my stop loss. 35,660. So let's keep it at 661. We just have two lots. So this will be 35,665. All right. So this would be my stop loss order. So let me just place it over here. I'm just checking for the integrities over here. This is fine. Yes. Okay. So I've placed my stop loss order. So I know how much I'm going to lose for the day. Nothing more, nothing less. It will somehow take a round number support here. It is not going to easily let go that round number support. We are right now at 61 rupees on our option. In the next 5 minutes, we will hit our targets if this sustains the same way. In the next 5 minutes, we are already in the money, so there is no tension at all. So let me just exit this position for now. And that's it. I think, have I executed the position? Yes. So ladies and gentlemen, I present to you our profits of 4,746 rupees for the day. Did you enjoy this? I want to hear this. Did you enjoy this? Okay. So that's great, guys. I thank you so much for your time today. I wish you have a wonderful day ahead. And I will stop the live trading over here. I just will let you alone. And I know I've made some decent amount of money today. My salary account is still alive. And let's do it properly. Okay. So thank you so much for your time. Have a beautiful day. Take care. Love you all. Bye-bye for now.